I finally did all the cables, and we're gonna close this side, turn this on and see if it actually works, if everything, all the connections, all the USB and everything is good. But before that we have to do the boot and also install Windows. But for now I'm just gonna see if it actually boots up and if everything works. So turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Yes. The only problem I had is this is also a RGB fan. Why there's no light is the motherboard only has one ARGB pin, either one of these. Do a workaround for that. So that's the only thing. Yeah, the GPU is running. Install Windows to it.